first on the bad list, and you're last on mine. Looking for a scapegoat. Long past due.
Arkansas Professional Wrestling welcomes once again the #1 guy on the card, the only real wrestler, the Mangler. I've done a lot of bitching and whining here in the last few months about the talent of APW and the fact that there is none. So for the first time, April the 27th, 2013, the powers that be of APW have now granted me an opportunity to work with some real talent. They have brought in one of the greatest tag team competitors of all time. The problem is, the guy that they're bringing, my trainer, the nasty boy, Brian Knobs. And let me tell you something, nasty boy. This may be teacher versus student, but unlike all the movies, unlike all the stories in Hollywood, the teacher will not prevail. I am sick and tired of being held down by such an idiotic company. It's finally my time to shine. And this, April the 27th, the Mangler, this guy, is going to reign supreme. I'm going to take Brian Knobs where he has never been before. I'm going to take him to his limits. You never know. This could be the last match, so I encourage everybody to come see the nasty boy as he goes out under my 3 count. Like Brian Knobs taught me at Nastyville School of Professional Wrestling, he taught me everything he knew. And now I have taken what I've learned, I've evolved it, and now I'm the best that I can be, and I'm better than the best that he was. What Brian Knobs knew was old school. What I have done is I've created a new beast. Brian Knobs, you think that you know me, but you don't. You don't know anything past the 80s. This is 2013. Your time was then, my time is now. And like you taught me at your school, I am now teaching the next generation what they need to know to succeed, to thrive, and to be the best that they can be in MWE, and then to move up on the ranks to whatever and wherever it takes them. My guys from MWE in Wichita, Kansas, in the few months that they've been training, are already showcasing more talent on Arkansas Professional Wrestling than the rest of the locker room. I am going to bring everything I have. I'm going to take everything the nasty boy Brian Knobs taught me. I'm going to take everything that I've learned since then, and I'm going to prove to Brian Knobs, to APW, and to the world that the Mangler deserves to have his name in the lights. The Mangler deserves to have every opportunity for every title that I wish to have. April 27th, you and everyone else will see the Mangler standing over my trainer. He will finally give me the approval that I've been looking for. He will finally give me the respect that I deserve. Because I am the only real wrestler left.
Still hear you scream.